Download Gmail application on any iPhone, just simply navigate to your app store, which is right here. Or if you are unable to find app store, you can also search in your app library. Simply type app store and tap on the application. At the bottom right corner, you can see a small search icon. Simply tap on that and search Gmail. Once you have typed the name, simply tap on this blue search icon. And right here, you can see Gmail. Simply tap on this Gmail icon, and here you will see download icon right here. Or you can also see get icon instead of this download button. Just simply tap on get or this download icon, and your download will be begin. And in some cases it might ask for your iCloud password. Just simply enter your current iCloud password and your download will be started. Once the installation is completed, you can find this application on your home screen. As you can see, Gmail is right here on my home screen. Or if you are unable to find Gmail, you can also search in your app library. As you can see, Gmail is right here. So that's how you can download Gmail on any iPhone. So that's it for this video. If this video helps, subscribe.